welcome to Taylor's University. My name is Adam.
And my name is Benjamin.
The student experience has 10 different units that handle life on campus outside the classroom. The student experience is committed to provide students with a wide range of support services that focus on an awesome customer experience here at Taylor's.
But besides books and studying, life as a student may be hectic, but don't worry just yet. We're here today to get you started on the right track, so let's take it away.
So you're new to Taylor's University and you have all these questions about things outside the classroom. Where do you go? So, what do you do here? Well, these are some of the things that you could, should, and would do here at Student Central.
And in order to make things easier for you, the Student Center portal is made accessible to you 24/7, anytime and anywhere. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to just drop an email or give a call.
Taylor's University also strives to help students financially by offering all kinds of scholarships, discounts, grants, and even facilitating PT/PTN applications for enrolling students. For further inquiries, head over to the Bursary and Financial Aid counter.
Hi, do you want to discover your purpose in life? Well, I'm sure you do. Here at Taylor's, we offer a variety of avenues for you to explore your interests, strengths, and talents. At the same time, we have over 40 student organizations that will help you gain those skills for your purpose.
Your interests and talents are limitless, and so are the club and societies here. If you want, you can join the accounting club. Or, if you're interested in becoming a student leader, you can join the student council and become the voice of all the students at Taylor's University. Or, if you're interested in community services, you can join CSI. And if you have any further inquiries or you want to know more about the other clubs and societies here, feel free to drop by Student Development Hub, where you can develop your interpersonal and intrapersonal skills.
If you're an international student here at Taylor's, we want to help to make this your second home. The International Office is where you could settle all that paperwork hassle from your student passes to your visas.
The International Office helps international students with their admission into Taylor's University. Besides that, they also coordinate with the EMGS, Education Malaysia Global Services, as well as the Malaysia's Immigration Department. That means they are the ones that will help you with your visa and your student pass. For new international students, you need to get 3 things done. Step 1. Report to the International Office counter immediately. If you have done so, well done. Step 2. Proceed to have your medical checkup done at registered EMGS panel clinics. Step 3. Submit your passport for student pass endorsement at the International Office counter with your medical receipts attached. Your student pass endorsement should be ready between 10 to 12 weeks. Now, when you get your passport back, you need to watch out for the expiry date on your student pass, because 3 months before it expires, you should submit your passport to get it renewed. Your passport should be valid for 15 months.
Well, that's something you should take a note of. But if you missed that, the International Office Consultancy counter is always here. So, your paperwork is done, you've got all your documents in order, and now you're here at Taylor's University. So, how do we work out in really making this your second home? Well, Taylor's has got some great programs lined up to ease your transition to this country.
ISS, which stands for International Student Services, promotes the well-being and social interaction of international students. Immersion program with comprehensive support for international students, especially in the first 6 months at Taylor's University. Check out the Kuala Lumpur tour and Best Buddies Connect.
ISS, they give us opportunities for social networking through engagement of local communities, homestay programs, and international and national celebrations.
Well, there you have it. Be sure to check those out and take full advantage of all those activities for the best university experience.
Talking about international students, what about the local students who want to go overseas? This is why we have the Global Mobility Program. That's where local students can venture overseas for international exposure or networking opportunities through various programs such as the Student Exchange Program, where students are given the opportunity to study at our partner universities abroad for a semester or two. Student Mobility Program, choice of courses ranging from 1 to 6 weeks. Study tours, collaboration with Taylor's partner institutions. Are the credits transferable? How long are these programs? What are the requirements? Don't worry, you get all the answers at the Global Mobility Office.
So, you have your student organizations, exchange programs, and everything else you need to survive the rest of your university life. But what about the real world? What about after university, when you have to prepare your resume, compile your portfolio, and even sit for interviews?
Okay, that was a handful. Now let's have one of the managers of the Taylor's Career Services Center to go into the details.
Career Services Center basically organizes a lot of events and services to help students to enhance their own employability. Employability is important because it basically measures how fast can you get a job, can you hold on to that job, and can you replicate that process again and again and again. So how do we do this? We use a two-pronged approach. Basically, first, we help students to prepare for internship and career. Secondly, we help to connect them with their employers of choice. So how do we prepare students for internship and career? We basically organize a series of workshops covering different topics like writing effective cover letter and resume, interview skills and tips, professional image and grooming, soft skills topics like emotional intelligence, leadership and teamwork, and also tips on how to make the best out of the internship experience. If you have any concerns or require any guidance on career topics, you can actually make an appointment with the counselors for a career counseling session where we can actually give you ideas, suggestions, and also advice. And finally, every year, Career Services Center organizes our annual Taylor's Career and Employment Fair, where we have more than 60 employers on campus. So this is actually a wonderful opportunity for students to interact and also network with top employers within a single day. So students come to the career fair for different reasons. If you're a first-year student, you would come to get more awareness about different industries and career paths. If you're a second-year student, you will be coming to basically secure your internship opportunity. And if you're a final-year student, you'll be going to the career fair to basically explore graduate opportunities. So come and visit the center today and meet your career counselors.
So basically, the Career Services Center is the link between you and the top employers of your field of study respectively. Taylor's is here to prepare you for life.
Are you having a hard time? Do you feel like just talking to someone in a more private environment? Well, here you go. This is the place for you. The CPSC, the Counseling and Psychological Services Center.
And usually students come for emotional needs. They actually can have a quick chat with us. We are all trained counselors. They can discuss about whatever concerns they may have. For example, having exam stress or having arguments with family members or boy-girl friends. They are welcome to actually talk to us and maybe we can work things through together. Other than individual counseling sessions,